Rainforests are losing biodiversity, facing habitat destruction, and failing as carbon sinks, further intensifying climate change. The primary culprit, globalization, the increasing interdependence of the world's economies and populations, which is accelerated by rapid population growth and the growing demand for commodities. Rainforests in the Amazon Congo basin in Southeast Asia are cleared for agriculture, logging, and oil extraction, causing soil degradation and river pollution. With 135 million hectares of rainforest now oil and gas blocks, this escalating damage demands solutions to restore these vital ecosystems. Co-metabolic bioremediation offers a solution by using microorganisms to break down harmful pollutants while metabolizing other substances for nutrients. This process restores water quality, supports soil health, and aids reforestation by promoting nutrient cycling. Being natural and resource efficient, bioremediation minimizes disruption to ecosystems while addressing pollution at a low cost. Bioremediation offers a sustainable way to restore our rainforests and create a future where economic growth and environmental preservation coexist.